Okay, so quick steampunking tutorial. You want to get a gun from Goodwill. Doesn't matter if it works or not, because that's not the point of this. And you want to start sanding down completely so that you get all, whoops, we're going to get our palette later. You want to get all of the shiny, so there's absolutely no reflective bits on it whatsoever. And then you get to the point where you're going to paint it flat black. Then, I'm running out of room. Some paint here, whoops. So you'll need a lot of flat black to do 1 or 2 coats. You're not going to need a lot of the gold or bronze, and you want to do a dry brush. So you're just kind of barely having any paint on there. Just fuzz. It's too much. If you start messing it up and you get too much, don't worry. Problem solved. Start. Oh, that's too much. Okay, problem solved. Start all over. It's the beauty of it, because you only need, doing it one-handed, you only need a teeny tiny little bit. And since Halloween's coming up, and we haven't done anything on Bob McCobb's workshop for a while, I figured I'd do quick steampunking tutorial. Again, it's okay. Wipe the excess away. Happy little mistakes, as Bob Ross would say. Oh crap, I'm sweating all over this because I'm a sweaty bastard. Okay. Too much again. Trying to hurry. That's the worst thing. This is one of these take your time things. Barely any on there. I use super cheap throwaway brushes because I end up destroying them in the process. And you can do the red bronze, you can do gold, you can do copper. Let's do it on this side that way. Oh, cool. Just beating my sweat. Awesome. So you want to sand it all down so all the shiny's off. You don't have to, I mean,